Why are you screaming, bruh? Taz. Taz. Why are you screaming?
I think I'm getting it. Like whatever you have, I'm getting it.
What, am I cold?
I don't know.
How are you balanced?
Because my nose
Hello.
is like just fucking gushing today.
Hello.
And it won't stop.
You want to say hello to the camera? Hello. Taz. I have nicknames for you. Queen Ari Elizabeth III and King Charles III. I know, wait, Taz King Charles III. Okay, really? Tell me a story. Okay. Is that it? Your Taz, you went, cheer? 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 Taz is the cutest budgie bird in the galaxy of the world. Aren't you? Taz, are you the cutest? Your Taz, he went, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. How you doing? Are you doing fantastic? Doing perfect? Hi, Ari. Tell me a story. What happened? Really? You want to know what happened today? We had to go to the doctor's office. Because now I have to take nose spray because I have an inner ear infection. Here's the medicine I'm taking for my inner ear infection. Yeah, I've had bad balance the past couple of days. And I didn't know what was going on, and I told Mom, and she said that I probably have an ear infection. So we went to the doctor's today. She's got something wrong with her kidney, and I got something wrong with my ears. Can't even wear my headset because my ears are hurting so much. Look at that cute, innocent bird right there. Taz. Taz. Oh. Hello there. Hello there. Is your name King Charles? King Charles III? King. King. Charles III. The third. Man, you guys are loud. But so damn adorable. You can't say this isn't the cutest bird in the world. Right here. Cutest budgie bird. Thank you for helping me get a video. You've helped me get a video. And I explained that my ears are messed up.
So that's very nice.
What the? Yeah, if you have an inner ear infection and your balance, say you're walking fine and your balance becomes all messed up, that means you've got something wrong with your ears. And I didn't even know that. Why am I holding honey in my hand? This is great for the wintertime. It helps colds, helps your tongue, and all that crap. When your tongue's dry, your throat's dry, honey and lemon juice. Those are the best combinations for the winter. Oh, hello there. My name is Maca Soup.
How are you?
Run. This kid right here has been in a couple of my YouTube videos. Why is the phone blurry? Screen's blurry. It's weird. There, now it's focused.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was in one of my Minecraft videos. 10-year-old kid still wears diapers. He was in my GTA video at the casino.
I was his friend.
I think he was in 2 GTA videos and 1 Minecraft video that I can think of right now.
I was in a lot more than one.
I haven't uploaded the other one yet. So, the one where I'm talking as a little kid, the 10-year-old kid. Welcome back to another video today. I still wear diapers. Anyway, I don't even know what this video is anymore. There's Ari.
So, Brian just told him that he's done taking the test,
Hello. Yeah.
and now he's gonna go and put it all back together.
So he's getting there.
So, it's coming.
Anyway, I'm ending this video. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye to YouTube. YouTube can rest in peace. You wanna know why, Taz? Because YouTube doesn't promote small YouTube channels. You wanna know why? Watch the Disney Channel YouTube video on Minecraft. YouTube has became the Disney Channel. Find out next.